Just another fun video, another fun video for you. Just another fun video, another fun video for you.
I think that's better. Good morning. This is my very first vlog. Today is a Friday. It's a pretty simple day today. We're gonna start with doing some laundry because that's just a daily thing. It doesn't ever stop. And Eliana really likes going outside, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna go outside. That's Boris, because he doesn't want to be in his playpen right now, but that's okay. We're just gonna leave him in there for a little bit. And we're gonna go for a walk on this really great trail that's right by my house and run some errands and then do nap time. Hopefully I can get a workout in.
And we're doing laundry for the upteenth time because it never ends, people. Now we gotta hydrate a little bit. And we're off. It's a very gloomy day today. But there's some nice things to look at. And this hill never gets easy. Ever. Squirrel. Beautiful sights to see. What is it about kids and parks? It just never gets old, does it? I never get bored of parks. Ever, I promise. I'm not bored. I'm trying really hard. This was the height of our excitement chasing the birds. And a squirrel. So fun.
I'm just keeping it real today. I don't got makeup on or nothing, so it is what it is. We got time for what we got time for, and today we're going to attempt to organize underneath my sink because, Lord, baby Jesus, we need to do that. It needs to be done. Okay, this is what we got going on over here. Look at this. I had kind of a system going with these guys, but we need to bring in the big guns. We need to bring in some containers. Talking about those acrylic containers, clear, beautiful, from Target. We're gonna figure this mess out while Eliana naps. Say a prayer for me.
So I was able to get everything organized. I hope you like it. I hope this inspires you to do a little organization of your own. There's a link down below in the description if you would like to see me organize this mess. Have fun! I am restarting my dryer for the 4th time because our dryer stinks. And now it's time for a little snacky snack before picking up my son and put on some makeup because dang, I look haggard.
Whoa, that's cool. What is it?
Guava Godzilla.
Now we need a couple things so you know we're going to Target. Swoop, and we need some black ice car freshener because it smells delicious. And now it's time for a little after-school ice cream treat. Delectable. Karate time! I would love to know what after-school activities your kids enjoy. Please comment below. And after a Friday night dinner from Taco Bell, it's time to feed Boris. Anyone else watching have a bulldog? It's kind of like having a hefty, adorable house guest that snores very loudly and passes gas all the time. Well, we made it to the end of the night, so it's time to put on a show and fold this big pile of laundry. Please help me.
2,000 years later.
Now it's time for a dance party. Dance, dance, yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, it is the end of the night, and it is time to work out. I work out from home in my garage. I have a whole setup over here. That's what I usually do. On average, I do 5 times a week. Working out has never really been the issue for me. The bigger issue has always been nutrition. This week, I have recalculated my macros. My goal is to primarily focus on at least hitting my protein in grams. At the end of the day, it really comes to nutrition. That's what I've always seen, and a lot of the time I am just overeating or binge eating or eating late at night when I shouldn't. So we're gonna end this night right, and we're gonna do our workout, and then we're gonna call it a night. So let's do it. we are done with the workout. It was a great day. I always feel much better when I work out, and it just makes me feel good, get the endorphins, and de-stress, be recentered, and feel stronger. So I hope you guys had a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.
You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go.
It's another fun video. It's another fun video for you.